Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic which is nothing but fuel technology and lubricants, a fourth unit in our syllabus. We have already completed through 3 units. We have already completed 3 units. So this is the fourth unit, fuel technology and lubricants. Before going to learn fuel technology and lubricants, let us first see what is a fuel. A fuel is nothing but a combustible substance containing carbon as main constituent, which on proper burning gives large amount of heat, which can be used economically for domestic and industrial purposes. It is called a fuel. Simply I will define fuel. Fuel is nothing but a substance on burning it produces huge amount of heat. The produced heat can be used for domestic and industrial purposes, right guys? So you can see here, when fuel combusts, burns in the presence of oxygen, which produces products having low energy along with heat, right? That produced heat is useful for domestic and industrial purpose, right guys? So now there is a classification of fuel, because fuels are available in gaseous state, liquid state and solid state. So the classification can be done like following. Fuels are classified into 2 types: primary fuels and secondary fuels. What are primary fuels? Primary fuels are the one which are available in nature readily, and the secondary fuels are the one which are prepared from primary fuels by a man synthetically in a laboratory. So the classification will give you a brief knowledge on what kind of fuels are available, right? So in this classification, let us see the classification of primary fuels. The primary fuels are categorized into 2 types. The fuels are categorized into 2 types. One is primary fuel, another one is secondary fuel. What is primary fuel? Primary fuel which is readily available in nature. Secondary fuels are synthetic fuels or man-made fuels or artificial fuels. Primary fuels are available in 3 states: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Secondary fuels are also available in 3 states: solid state, liquid state and in gaseous state. So what are the examples of solid fuels, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels comes under primary fuel? Okay, you know wood and coal, okay, they are solid in nature. On its burning gives huge amount of heat, so it is a fuel. So as the matter is available in solid, it comes under solid fuel. Next, you know petroleum, right? On its burning, which gives more amount of huge amount of heat, so that comes under liquid fuel, under the categorization of primary fuel. Next, gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel nothing but natural gas. On its burning, it gives more amount of heat. So primary fuels, so fuels are categorized into 2 types: primary, secondary. In the primary, it is subcategorized into three depending upon the nature of the substance, state of the substance: solid, liquid, gas. The examples of solid fuels are wood coal. The examples of liquid fuels are petroleum. The examples of gaseous fuels are natural gas. Next, let us move to secondary fuel. Secondary fuel is nothing but an artificial fuel, but an important thing, secondary fuels are prepared from primary fuels, right? So, secondary fuels are again subcategorized into three: solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. What is a solid fuel? Examples of solid fuel: charcoal and coke, which is prepared from coal. Liquid fuels: petrol, diesel, which is prepared from petroleum. Gaseous fuel: oil gas and biogas, they are prepared from liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. So, this is the categorization of fuels, right? So, in our discussion today, in our today's discussion, we learnt about what is a fuel and what type of fuels are available. So, fuel is nothing but a combustible substance containing carbon as rich ingredient, which on proper burning in the presence of oxygen gives a large amount of heat. The produced can be used economically for domestic and industrial purposes. That is fuel. The next topic is categorization of fuel. Fuels are categorized into two types: primary and secondary, depending upon the source of the availability. Primary fuels are naturally available, secondary fuels are man-made fuels. Primary fuels are subcategorized into solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Secondary fuels are subcategorized into solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Examples of primary fuels with respect to its state: solid, liquid and gaseous. In the case of solid fuels, wood and coal come under. Liquid fuels, petroleum. Gaseous fuels, natural gas. In the case of secondary fuels, these are the fuels, man-made fuels and synthetic fuels by a human in a laboratory by using primary fuels as a raw material. So, this is also again subcategorized into three: solid, liquid, gaseous. The examples of solid fuels are charcoal and coke, which is prepared from coal. The examples of liquid fuels are petrol and diesel, they are prepared from petroleum. The examples of gaseous fuels, oil gas and biogas, they prepare from natural gas or liquid fuels, petroleum, right? This is the classification of fuels. Now, we are going to learn in first liquid fuels. Okay, we are going to learn about liquid fuels, both primary and secondary liquid fuels. Okay, what are liquid fuels? What is the use of liquid fuel in domestic and industrial purposes? Domestic and industrial purposes. Why liquid fuels are important? What are the properties of liquid fuels? What are the categorization of liquid fuels? This is the topic which we are going to learn in our next class. Right, guys? Thank you.